Greetings today. We're going to learn how to set up a Zoom meeting or how to schedule and make a Zoom meeting. You got here just in time. Grab my book free today. Learn what I do to make passive commissions in any niche. Smack that thumbs up. Let's get into the content now. First, we log into Zoom. We go to the new meeting box. We click new meeting. You say start. You click join with computer audio, and then you will select the microphone and speakers that you want to use. So you will choose the microphone that works best for you. And you'll want to go ahead and test these to make sure that it is working correctly. And then you will want to say where the speakers are going to output the audio that you have. Then on video, you can go ahead and select the webcam that you want, and then you say start video. As soon as that happens, then you can go ahead and click the meeting information. You can copy the invite link, and then you can go ahead and send it to anybody that you need while starting your Zoom meeting. Thank you for joining us for this quick tutorial on how to set up a Zoom meeting or how to schedule or make a Zoom meeting. For more information on how to master Zoom, go ahead and check the other videos in the description.